Hidden just behind Beijing's historic Chunmen district is a street that tells a different story about the city. This is Langfang First Alley. For centuries, this area was part of Old Beijing's commercial heart. But today, it has been transformed into a modern cultural and lifestyle district. Instead of crowded souvenir markets and traditional Hutongs, you'll find contemporary architecture, designer stores, cafes, restaurants, and creative spaces woven into the historic fabric of the neighborhood. What makes this place interesting is the contrast. Just moments away from centuries-old landmarks, Beijing presents a completely different face of itself, modern, creative, and constantly evolving. Places like Langfang First Alley remind us that Beijing isn't simply preserving its history, it's continuously reinventing it. And that's what makes exploring the city so fascinating. Around every corner, there's a new story waiting to be discovered. But this is only one small corner of the Chunmen area. Let's keep walking and see what else Beijing has hidden in plain sight. If you enjoy discovering the hidden side of China beyond the usual tourist attractions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more journeys across Beijing and beyond. This is Masked Woman Uncovered, and I'll see you in the next story.